Here's the ball fields here in Sumas. The roadways are clear. They are closed. There's no water. Highway 9. Walk in our house to see the outcome of the flood. Didn't find a roadway that was not road closed by border agents or other officials, but we were able to park and walk down here.
I'm not stopping at North Mall. Wherever I have my own stuff to worry about. Sorry.
Just like she does too. Go right that way, Johnny. Oh yeah, it's flooded. We're good. Okay. We just don't worry. We're fine. Okay. Yep. We might go up another street anyways. Yeah, he's fine.
So we should go through it. We can walk through that.
Watch.